In this video, we're diving into 5 invaluable massage tips that can transform and elevate your massage business. Let's kick things off with our first strategy, which is utilizing NFC tags to gather customer reviews. In our practice, we've strategically placed an NFC tag near our entrance. Inviting your customers to provide feedback is effortless with this tag. We've embedded our Google review code into the tag. When NFC is enabled, it instantly directs clients to the review page, simplifying the feedback process. Our second tip is to always give water after a massage session. Drinking water post-massage feels fantastic and is crucial to prevent dehydration. In warmer weather, chilled water is especially refreshing, which is why we offer our clients a complimentary bottle of cooled water after their massages. Opting for a takeaway bottle can be more convenient, especially if you don't have a designated lounge area for customers to relax in afterward. Our third massage tip is making use of an oil heater. We use an oil heater as it maintains the oil at a consistently high temperature, offering a more soothing experience for the muscles. While warming the oil by rubbing it in your hands is an alternative method, the increased warmth from a heater often provides a more comfortable and consistent application for massages. Next up is our fourth tip, which is using gift card for promotions. Gift cards are an ideal way to attract new customers. The most effective way to assure people they're in good hands is by allowing them to experience it themselves. Utilizing coupon codes within an online payment system is another great strategy. These codes allow individuals to redeem discounts or even free massages, providing an incentive that encourages more bookings and enhances customer engagement. Our fifth and final tip is making use of proper lighting. Using proper lighting is important for improving the setting and mood of your practice. As you can see here, the dimmed lights give a much more chill and serene vibe in comparison to the cool and bleak white lighting. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates on our massage tutorials.